On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to reset Instagram Explore page. First thing, open the settings. Go to Apps Manager. Open the apps like this. Now, on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you wanna do here is very simple. Scroll, go to the Instagram app, click on it, and then go to the storage. Click on this clear data, clear cache. Go back and click on this force stop. And last thing you want to do is go to the Instagram Explore page and make sure to start liking the posts that you like. For example, if you like the trading post, click on like, and for example music, click on like, and if you like fitness, click like. And if you don't like any post here that you don't want to see like it, you have to click on it like this. Go to those three options here down and choose not interested. Don't forget to like, subscribe.